Hey, I'm about to tell you something that most gardeners only discover after it's too late. You're at the nursery, surrounded by lush leaves, exotic blooms, and endless possibilities. Everything looks beautiful. Everything looks safe. But here's the truth. Some of those plants will quietly destroy your yard, choke your soil, and even make you sick. Invasive plants cause over $120 billion in damage every single year. And that's not counting the frustration, wasted time, and sleepless nights they cause. Here are 7 plants that look innocent but will ruin your backyard. And the last one? It might already be growing near you. Let's begin. Number 1. Bamboo, the beautiful monster. Bamboo seems like the ultimate dream plant. Fast-growing, elegant, and perfect for privacy. At first, it's everything you hoped for. Instant shade, that tropical resort feel, and a living fence that sways in the breeze. Then the nightmare begins. Bamboo spreads underground through rhizomes, root systems that travel silently beneath the soil, pushing up new shoots wherever they please. They don't care about fences or concrete. Within a few years, bamboo can invade your vegetable beds, crack through pavement, and even creep into your neighbor's yard. You can cut it down, dig it up, even burn it. It'll come right back from a single root fragment. Want bamboo? Grow it in large containers or raised planters where roots can't escape. But plant it straight into the ground, and you'll spend the next decade fighting an unstoppable green army. Number 2. Mint, the sneaky invader. Mint is the sweetest trap in gardening. It smells divine, tastes amazing, and grows fast, too fast. Once planted in open soil, mint sends out underground runners that pop up feet away from the original spot. Before you know it, it's creeping into your flower beds, lawn, and even cracks in your path. It smothers delicate herbs like thyme, oregano, and sage, leaving your garden smelling like a giant mojito. Experienced gardeners have one rule: mint belongs in a pot. You can even sink that pot in the ground to make it look natural, but never let those roots roam free. Number 3. English ivy, the wall destroyer. English ivy gives off that classic old-world charm. Thick green walls, fairy tale fences, secret garden vibes. But what you don't see is the destruction happening underneath. Ivy clings to surfaces using tiny rootlets that dig into wood, brick, and siding, trapping moisture and slowly tearing structures apart. Fences collapse, bricks crumble, repair bills skyrocket. And on trees, ivy acts like a slow-motion strangler. It wraps around trunks, blocking sunlight until the host tree weakens and dies. On the ground, it forms a suffocating carpet that smothers every native plant in sight. It's invasive, destructive, and banned in many places. If you love vines, try clematis, honeysuckle, or star jasmine instead. Not this leafy vandal. Number 4. Wisteria, the gorgeous strangler. Wisteria is breathtaking. Cascading purple flowers, dreamy pergolas, and that romantic scent drifting through the air. But behind the beauty is a bully. Its vines grow thick and strong, wrapping around posts, trees, and even gutters until they literally crush them. The plant's weight can pull down fences and collapse wooden structures if they're not reinforced. Underground, its roots spread far and deep, making it incredibly difficult to remove once it's established. Miss one pruning season, and it takes over everything in sight. If you love the look, grow it in a large container with a sturdy trellis. But planting wisteria freely in your yard? That's inviting chaos to dinner. Number 5. Black walnut, the silent poisoner. Black walnut trees look grand and graceful, but they hide a deadly secret. They release juglone, a natural toxin from their roots, leaves, and shells that poisons nearby plants like tomatoes, peppers, and azaleas. Even after the tree's gone, its roots keep releasing poison for years, turning the soil into a dead zone. If you already have one, grow only juglone-tolerant plants, but never plant one near a garden you care about. Number 6. Poison ivy, the health hazard. You've heard the rhyme, leaves of 3, let it be. That simple rule could save you a hospital trip. Poison ivy carries urushiol, An oil so powerful that just a few drops can cause weeks of burning rashes and blisters. It sticks to gloves, clothes, pets, even to smoke if you burn it. Inhaling it can trigger dangerous lung reactions. If you spot it, wear full protection, or better yet, call professionals. This isn't just a weed, it's a real health hazard. Number 7. Morning Glory, the Tangled Nightmare. Morning glories look innocent, cheerful flowers opening with the sunrise. But they're one of the most persistent garden pests out there. A single vine can produce hundreds of seeds that stay alive in the soil for up to a decade. Even if you clear them out, new sprouts keep returning every spring. Their vines wrap around vegetables, shrubs, and trees, blocking sunlight and airflow, turning healthy gardens into tangled messes. They're beautiful, but trust me, keep them in containers, not in the ground. So there you have it, 7 plants that promise paradise but deliver disaster. They look gorgeous, they smell amazing, and they lure you in with their charm, until your garden turns into a battleground. The good news? You can avoid all of it by choosing plants wisely from the start. Gardening should bring peace, not pain. If this helped you dodge a costly mistake, hit that like button, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more smart, science-backed gardening advice. Now tell me, have you ever fought one of these troublemakers? Drop your story in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and may your gardens stay beautiful and under control.